have not written question here. It's a very lengthy question. Next type of question. A block A weighing 100 Newton. So here force is 100 Newton. Block A is 100 Newton. Is pulled up a slope of length 5 meters. So this is pulled from here till here of length 5 meters on a slope by means of constant force 100 Newton. So force applied also is 100 Newton here, and the block weighing also 100 Newton. So the weight of this block is also 100 Newton. So the first question they have asked is, what is the work done by the force in moving a block A along 5 meters? So we must have to find what is the work done when the block is taken from this position to this position along this slope. So work done is given by formula force into displacement. What is force applied? 100 Newton. What is the displacement? 5. So answer is 500 joules. Correct? What is the second question? What is the increase in potential energy of the block? So see here, this is very important. Increase in potential energy of the block is equal to, body is moving from the base, that is from the ground, to certain height, this height. So this is that height we have to consider, because potential energy is given by the formula mass into acceleration to gravity into height. Mass we don't know, we know over the force. So mass into gravity becomes force into height. So what is the force? 100 Newton. What is the height? Height is not 5 meters, height is 3 meters, because it should be taken from the ground. This is the distance traveled. This becomes the displacement or the height. So that is 3 is equal to 300 joules. Okay. Then the C question. So sorry, this is A question, this is B question, this is C question. Account the difference in the work done by the force and increase in potential energy of the block. So what is the difference? Difference in work done by the force and increase in potential energy, that is equal to 500 minus 300, that is 200 joules. What is the difference between these two? That is the meaning of this question. Okay, have you all understood this?